Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tutorials. So how to share specific time on YouTube video. It's going to be real simple, so bear with me in this one. So let's say you've chosen this particular video right here. All you need to do is click on whichever time it is that you'd like to share, and then after that, just go ahead and click on share, and after that, just click on share at. That's the time that you just paused right there, and you could also now choose to share this on WhatsApp, Facebook, everything here that is included here. Or if it's not included here, you can basically copy the link in here. Like, they don't have Messenger, right? But they do have Facebook, but you get the point. Click here, copy, and that's just basically the simple process. So again, these are the apps that you could share directly from. Don't forget to click on this one. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.